Hey guys, Chevy here again. Adam over here. Check out the new shirts. We got stickers and shirts going, so if you're not in the Facebook group or the Instagram, you may not have seen that, but anyways, send me a message if you're interested in a sticker. Cost me $2 a piece to. I got them sitting around here somewhere. Oh, they're in my weld down here. Finally got a creeper. It was second hand and all the wheels were real janky, so Adam's tightening them up. But anyways, let's see if we can get it. There you go. Pretty cool stickers. But anyways, it cost me $2, so if any of you guys out there are interested in getting one, go ahead and send me a message and I'll do my best to get them to you. But we're doing shirts too, but those are a little more expensive. But anyways, if you're interested in any of that, also check out Hack Stickers on Facebook. If you're in our group, you can see him on there. He's one of the members. So, hey guys, Chevy here again. Got Adam in the shop tonight with me helping. Gonna pull the transmission out of Booger Hook. It's got a 700 R4 in it. And anyways, it's not what I want, and I think a friend of ours is gonna buy it anyways, which will help me out. Get some parts coming I need to get this going. And well, first thing I think got to unbolt the torque arm. They're kind of dangerous if I remember right. Those two big bolts right there. That connects the third member of the transmission because this is independent rear end, so third member's floating. So those bolts, and then I'll take the bracket off that holds the shifter on, and then well, I think I'll pull the drive shaft out. It's like 8mm. I don't know, pretty small. 5/16. Anyways, pull that drive shaft out first, I guess. And then torque arm bolts, which I think they're 18. Everything on here is a weird size. Let's pull those out, get the jack underneath the transmission better. And yeah. Anyways. I wanted to show you this cool thing I saw when we were at a buddy's shop one time. Worried about your torque converter falling out, you take a little wrench, bolt it to the bell housing. This is there's a 3/8 Harbor Freight wrench and a 3/8 bolt. You just tighten it down. That is not.
Canadians like to call it Princess Auto.
That is not the right neck.
Horrible. And I even lubed it. Not that that seems to make a difference.
Nah, he didn't even care.
No, it's just being mean. What is that smell?
Yeah, now the torque converter can't fall out and dump fluid everywhere. Burnt zip. Weird. Oh, that one's gnarly.
Yeah, both of those I'm gonna have to
Who's
try.
the a-hole that cut those?
I don't know. Wasn't me.
It was me. I did. Thanks.
Make my job harder.
I worked hard on that.
Like somebody did.
Yeah, they look pretty sweet, huh? They're growing on me for sure. Alright, so I got a socket, a ratchet, so this is going to be much less painful.
It's gonna be a bunch of foul language.
Boy, I read the lyrics to this song for the first time in my whole life the other day. I was wrong. I was way wrong.
Isn't it weird how that happens?
Like, I'm usually pretty good at lyrics. Not those ones.
Somebody come up with a new Thunderstruck.
Yeah.
It's called Tractor Stuck.
Oh yeah, I saw that. It's pretty ridiculous. God dang, this is terrible. Boy, not going great.
I like these axles far better than any CV axle you could have.
Yeah, for a rear end, they're great.
I mean, honestly, I've seen more CV axles wear out than U-joints.
Well, yeah, but CV axles are capable of a lot more. That's why they're, you know, these don't have that range of travel as CV does.
Well, no, but you shouldn't be jumping.
Well, yeah.
This should work great on.
Did you see that?
application.
Oh my goodness! Did you know that the guy that started that Burnout Nation or whatever group that we blew up there for a little bit has
Petered out quick.
the White Claw Corvette? You know which one? The cart with it's just basically no hood,
Right.
and the
yeah.
coilovers.
Yeah.
Did you see the picture of that thing like 6 foot off the ground?
No.
It's like a motocross track, and he skied it out, dude.
I bet that hurt. I bet he sat on the ground.
I'm like, oh no.
We're too fat to think about that.
Yeah, that's not a good deal at all.
Because the
I bet
first thing
that
that's going to
hurt
happen,
bad.
your ass is going to hit the ground. Second thing that's going to happen is you're going to find out what the back tire tasted like.
Yeah, and how hard your head can run right into the glass roof.
Yeah. God damn, that hurt.
It's terrible. This is not going my way. Come on, I'm like one thread away. There it is. Uh-oh. I got it. Bolt stuck in there. Okay, will you take it out of park? Oh no, the back tires are on the ground. I can't spin the poop.
Yeah, that's not gonna do you a damn bit of good.
No. Oh, I have the other jack here, don't I?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because it just kept trying to screw you to death.
that's right. Adam had to get the other jack because I can't get the other driveline bolts without the back tires being off the ground. There you go.
The exhaust note will never be the same.
It'll be alright. Alright, that's high enough. Yeah.
Boom.
Sweet. Okay, back in park. Nice. Perfect.
A big, a small, or what?
Big one.
Big. Bigger. Dog is chewing on a Scotch Brite pad. He's gonna have clean teeth.
Boy.
I mean, I guess that's better than I'm chewing on something else.
Yeah.
It's good.
I mean, unless something else was like anything less abrasive than a Scotch-Brite.
I mean, he's gonna be clean after the first.
Oh yeah. Just scrub him out.
Oh, but it ain't gonna be good. It's gonna hurt.
Look at that little baby Driveline.
Oh,
It's cute. Cool, it didn't leak at all.
good.
Oh, that's weird. 700s, I guess the shaft sticks like 2.5 inches out of the back of the transmission. Weird. Or is this a... Yeah, that's a 7.
You know why Corvettes are so mad?
What?
All that shaft, not enough transmission.
Yeah. That's probably it.
That's a pretty good one, I thought.
Yep. Solid. Alright. Grab 18.
Thursday night.
Alright, we'll fire it up.
Okay. Quit.
Ooh, not tight. Not tight. Cool. Ooh. Hopefully it's 18 on top. There we go. Okay. That one fits.
You gonna need 9/16?
Huh?
You gonna need a 9/16 too?
No, I don't think so.
I got the half.
Yeah, the only thing I have. Ooh, yeah, I do need a 9.
What?
I might need a crescent wrench. That looks metric. That was good. What is going on over here?
And it was last.
Thank you. There.
That oil spot didn't fare too bad. Well, you got the torque all wound up.
Yeah, I'm sure that scared the crap out of. Ow! Oh man, right in my friggin' side fat. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, that's just kind of free floating in there now. Kind of sketched out, not gonna lie. Okay, moving on to the shifter leakage. Oh, it's a clip. It's not metric. Not metric at all. Yeah, that shifter is way out of adjustment. Holy cow.
I mean, that's just how we do.
That's how somebody else did. I
We
never.
just never do fix it.
Yeah, I never did. Just never dude.
It'll be fixed for next time.
Yeah. Stupid 85 half metric junk.
new scratched up piece of stainless.
Hit it with some Scotch-Brite?
Nah.
Oh,
Wipe it down with some Zep.
there you go. Should have got it hot first, it would have turned bronze.
That could be later.
Yeah. That's way too much work.
We can do that after an engine fire.
Yeah. Or during.
Yeah, I mean, that's probably the best time.
Yeah. Boy. These tranny bolts are not my favorite. Oh, we gotta do cooler lines.
Ooh.
That's terrible.
I ever tell you how much I hate training fluid?
Yeah. I feel like
I feel like I've heard that from
yeah.
you.
Something.
It's been around.
One of us has talked about it before.
Oh. You need a 5/8.
Are you trying to help? Thanks. I'm good. Thanks. You need 5/8? Probably 15.
Probably.
No, it's half inch.
Is it?
You take the flare nut out, not the big
Oh,
thing.
okay.
Half inch. Alright. Here.
Oh, let it down. Can you let it down?
Yeah. It might fall though.